In this video I'm going to show you how to add sticky notes on your Miro board. So it is very easy. Once you have opened your Miro board, then you can go to the left menu interface over here. We can go a little bit down and there you will find the sticky note option. Select that, and after that you can select the color of your sticky note. Let's say you would like to use pink. So once you have selected the color and you are ready to add the sticky note, then select the place where you would like to add it. So let's say we would like to add it at the interactive stickers. So place the sticky note by clicking on your left mouse button at the spot where you would like to add it. Once you have done that, then you can add some text to it. I would suggest to decrease the font size to make it more visible and readable. Once you have selected it, then go down to decrease the font size. Now, once you have done that, then you can click on it and just add the text like, "Today we have stickers ready." Now, as you can see, we can also make it bigger to make it more visible, or smaller so people just can see there is a sticky note. And then once you are finished, then you can click on the board so it will save. And that is how you add sticky notes on your Miro board. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!